Hi everyone, it's Dr. Kim. So this week I had a client in for a consult who was looking for options for skin rejuvenation, fine lines, wrinkles, texture changes, wants a little bit of a lift and a little bit of a boost. I started talking about Vampirefacelift and she stopped me and said, you know, I had that done somewhere else. I really didn't see too much changes with my skin. And I kind of thought, oh, that's weird because it's such a great treatment. So I started digging a little bit more. Tell me about this treatment. How was it done? What did you have? And as it turns out, she did not have a Vampirefacelift at all. They were just calling it a Vampirefacelift. So I want to talk about Vampirefacelift, Vampirifacial. What are these things? What are the actual steps? What does it mean? First of all, Vampirefacelift and Vampirifacial are trademark terms that can only be used by people who have been trained by the Cellular Medicine Association that owns these terms, have attended their courses, and are actually doing the procedures correctly. However, there are a lot of providers out there who have just kind of latched onto it, especially after Kim Kardashian had it done, and are starting to offer these treatments using the name without actually doing them in the way that they're meant to be done. So, doing a Vampirifacial or Vampirefacelift involves taking your blood and spinning it down to separate out the platelet-rich plasma. So that's the component of your blood that has the platelets. Platelets cause blood clots. They release growth factors. Those growth factors are like your body's signal to heal, and they bring in all of the cells that we need to heal and rejuvenate tissue, including fibroblasts, which produce collagen. So a Vampirefacil or a Vampirefacelift is not just microneedling to the point of bleeding. That is not it, and it's not going to work. It is also not harvesting your PRP and then spraying it onto your face and microneedling the PRP into your face. That is also not a Vampirefacil or a Vampirefacelift. Vampirefacelift involves actually activating that PRP and then injecting it in a very specific pattern of injections into your face, deeper into the skin, in order to get rejuvenation and lift in a very specific pattern. So if you've had what you think is a Vampirefacil or Vampirefacelift before, and it did not involve PRP or actually drawing your blood and spinning it down, or it didn't involve the step of actually injecting that PRP into your face, not just microneedling into your face, but injecting it into your face in that specific pattern, then you have not had an actual Vampirefacelift, and you will, of course, not see the amazing results that you can get from this technique. Obviously, as usual, if you have any questions, post them, message me, and I'll answer them for you.